Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about small entryway design ideas. Create a welcoming entryway by keeping it neat and open. Put a small bench or shelf for your shoes, making it easy to slip them off when you come in. Bring a touch of nature indoors by placing potted plants or flowers in the space, adding freshness and warmth, choosing claiming colors like green and brown to create a soothing atmosphere. Hang a basic mirror on the wall to make the area appear more spacious and reflective. This simple and natural design not only make your entryway organized but also give it a cozy and open feel. Keep it tidy and let nature elements enhance the entrance to your home. Transform your entryway into a cozy haven with these easy steps. Begin with a reclined wood console table for a touch of rustic charm. Next, position a vintage style coat rack nearby for convenient storage. Optimize space with wand basket for organizing shoes, keeping things tidy. Enhance comfort by adding a cozy rug in warm tones, making your entrance inviting. Infuse personality by decorating with a few antique pieces, giving the space characters and a unique feel. This simple and stylish approach to your entryway ensure functionality and a welcoming atmosphere, creating a delightful first impression for everyone who walk through your door. Make it modern and clean with a slim console table. Hang wall-mounted hooks for coats and bags to save space. Choose natural colors like white and grey for a calm and simple vibe. Add a fashionable umbrellas stand for rain days, functional and stylish. Keep things steady and clutter-free for that minimalistic touch. This means no extra stuff laying around, just what you need. By doing this, your entryway become a sleek and welcoming space without too much fuss. So pick a few key pieces and keep it simple and chic. Your entryway will thank you. Transform your entryway into a family-friendly hub with these simple steps. First, install a versatile wall organizer to keep things in order. Next, add a chalkboards or whiteboard for quick notes and reminders. Assign specific book for each family members to keep belonging organized. Utilize baskets for a hassle-free storage solution for keys and mails. Finally, create a sunk corner with a small sitting area, making your entryway not just functional but also inviting. These easy changes turns your entryway into a personalized space that cater to your family needs. First, start with a simple bench at the entryway for a cozy feel. Then bring life to the space by painting on wall with your favorite colors or a collection or family photos. Keep it wallet friendly by using inexpensive decor items to give your entryway a unique charm. This way you will have a welcoming entrance that is easy on the eyes and your budget, making everything step into your home a dayful experience. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiration ideas.